Something absolutely groundbreaking just dropped that's got the entire Pi community buzzing with excitement, and honestly, the numbers are mind-blowing. We're talking about over 200,000 bids flooding in for something that could completely reshape how we interact in the Web3 space, and it's all happening faster than anyone expected. The Pi Core team just unleashed updates that are making pioneers scramble to get their piece of digital real estate, and the competition is getting fierce. But here's the burning question. Are you ready to claim your spot in Pi's digital universe before everyone else catches on? Drop your answer in the comments below and let me know what you think about this massive surge in community participation. Don't forget to check out my previous videos to stay caught up with all the latest Pi network developments. You'll find the links in the description below. While you're at it, show some love by dropping Pi Network to the moon along with your country name in the comments section. It's amazing to see our global Pi family growing stronger every day. If this content is helping you stay ahead of the Pi game, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow pioneers, and hit subscribe to support us in bringing you the freshest Pi Network updates. Also, join our Telegram and Facebook communities for even more exclusive insights and discussions. Quick reminder, this video is purely for entertainment purposes and should not be considered investment advice of any kind. Alright Pi family, let's dive deep into these game-changing updates. The Pi ecosystem just experienced something that's making waves across the entire community, and it's happening at lightning speed. When the .Pi domains auction launched, nobody quite expected the explosion of activity that followed. Many users report being completely caught off guard by how quickly fellow pioneers jumped into the bidding wars, with some domains receiving hundreds of bids within hours of going live. Think of it like the early days of the internet when people were scrambling to grab domain names, except this time it's happening in Pi's Web3 universe. The core team designed these .Pi domains to function as your digital identity anchors, essentially becoming the foundation for how businesses, developers, and individual pioneers establish their presence in Pi's expanding digital economy. What makes this particularly fascinating is how these domains work both inside and outside the Pi browser ecosystem. Community members have been sharing experiences about how they can access their Pi domains through traditional browsers like Chrome and Safari using the .PIONEX.com extension, creating a bridge between Pi's network and the broader internet. This seamless integration is something many users report as being surprisingly smooth and user-friendly. The real excitement began when pioneers started realizing the potential of owning premium digital real estate in Pi's ecosystem. Early participants have been sharing stories about securing domains for their Pi-powered businesses and services, with some entrepreneurs already planning entire digital storefronts around their newly acquired Pi addresses. The bidding process has become so competitive that many users report checking the auction multiple times daily to track their favorite domains. Recent community discussions reveal that the core team's decision to channel all proceeds back into ecosystem development is resonating strongly with pioneers. Instead of profits disappearing into corporate coffers, every Pi spent on these domains flows directly back into developer programs and community events, creating a self-sustaining cycle of growth and innovation. The technical implementation has impressed many community members, particularly how the auction statistics display real-time data showing which domains are attracting the most attention. Users frequently share screenshots of the trending bids section, celebrating when their chosen domains climb the popularity rankings, or expressing friendly rivalry when competitors outbid them on premium names. Integration across Pi's various platforms has been seamless, with the auction now accessible through both the Pi wallet and the main Pi app. Many users report appreciating this flexibility, as they can manage their bids whether they're using their preferred Pi interface. The email notification system has become particularly popular among active bidders, with community members sharing how they've set up alerts for their target domains to avoid missing critical bidding moments. The refinement of the bidding interface has received positive feedback from the community, with many users noting how much smoother the experience has become compared to the initial release. Longtime Pi community members often compare this to how the main Pi mining interface evolved over time, praising the core team's commitment to continuous improvement based on user feedback. What's particularly encouraging is how the expanded mainnet wallet accessibility has opened the auction to more pioneers than ever before. Community reports suggest that many who were previously waiting for their KYC approvals or wallet migrations can now participate fully in the auction, democratizing access to this new feature across the entire Pi ecosystem. The strategic vision behind DOT Pi domains extends far beyond simple digital naming. These domains represent functional Web3 identifiers that can power everything from decentralized applications to digital marketplaces, creating a comprehensive infrastructure for Pi's real-world commerce ambitions. Community developers have been actively exploring a wide range of creative use cases for these DOT Pi domains, seeing them as more than just web addresses. They're digital identity tools that can power the next generation of decentralized applications. From decentralized social platforms and online shops to membership portals and event ticketing systems, developers are brainstorming ways to integrate these domains into real-world solutions. The goal is to make Pi domains the backbone of user interaction in a Web3 environment where ownership, security, and transparency are prioritized. Ideas on the table include peer-to-peer marketplaces where users can trade goods and services directly, professional directories that connect freelancers with clients, and even educational platforms or community hubs built entirely within the Pi ecosystem. These domains give users a personalized and recognizable presence in Web3, allowing individuals and businesses to build trust and visibility in an otherwise fragmented space. What's even more impressive is the pace at which this concept has taken off. From the moment the auction was announced, pioneers rushed in, driving the number of bids past 200,000 in record time. It's a clear sign that the community isn't just watching from the sidelines, they're engaged, eager, and ready to be part of something bigger. This rapid adoption isn't just about hype, it reflects a strong belief in Pi's long-term roadmap and the practical value these tools bring. The sheer volume of participation shows how aligned the pioneer base is with the project's broader vision of building a real-world Web3 economy. So there you have it, Pi family. The DOT Pi domains auction is creating unprecedented excitement in our community, with over 200,000 bids showing just how ready pioneers are to establish their Web3 identities. We covered how these domains function as digital anchors for Pi-powered businesses and services, the seamless integration across Pi's platforms, and the impressive real-time statistics that keep the community engaged and competitive. Remember to smash that like button, share this video with fellow pioneers, and subscribe to keep supporting our mission of bringing you the freshest Pi network updates and insights. Now I'm curious, which type of DOT Pi domain would you bid on first, and what would you use it for in the Pi ecosystem? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you have any questions or want to share your own auction experiences, feel free to contribute to the discussion in the comments section. Thanks for watching, Pi family, and I'll see you in the next video with more exciting Pi network developments.